A postponement looms in the upcoming Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections, or BSKE, this year. Isaiah Mirafuentes has the details in this report.
Although President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. had not yet signed it, the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan election scheduled for this year is expected to be postponed. According to COMELEC Chairman George Erwin Garcia, President Marcos expected to sign the postponement of the BSKE on August 12. The election, initially set for December 2025, may be moved to November 2026. If we look into it, the current barangay and SK officials who were elected in 2023 have only served for 2 years. Additionally, the proposed bill to be signed by the President also includes a change in the term length of elected officials. From 3 years, the term of barangay officials and SK officials will now be extended to 4 years. Barangay officials will be allowed 2 terms of office, with SK officials getting only a single term. Despite the possible delay in the BSKE, COMELEC's voters registration continues. They have launched special registration anywhere anytime sites located in malls, parks, and other venues. In addition to the regular registration sites located at local COMELEC offices, the special registration anywhere anytime program is now available in high traffic areas. Here, new voters and previous voters whose registrations have expired can register. Like Raquel from Malabon, who wants to transfer her registration to Pasay. She now believes in the importance of voting and even encourages all her children to register.
Ay, inano ko na po yung yung 17 years old ko pong anak. Opo, nagpa-register na po sila kahapon, tsaka mga pamangkin ko po. Inaya ko po talaga sila parehistro.
The special registration site includes transport hubs or terminals, malls, hospital, and select call center companies. Registration is also available in some train stations and at Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3.
Unfair kasi doon sa mga hindi nakakapagparehistro dahil lang sa kanilang kalagayan, trabaho o dahil mga nag-aaral. Dapat wala tayong iiwanan dahil sa mga ganong klaseng kalagayan. Karapatan ang makaboto.
Starting last Friday, registration will run for 10 days at COMELEC offices and for 7 days in select locations like parks. 1 million new voters are expected to be added through this ongoing voters registration. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.